Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video. This watch was lent over by 94 Watches. It's their new chronograph. I actually own their other watch, the successor. So let's take a look at this. And again, thank you to 94 for letting us check this out. Actually, forgot the name of this watch, but I will put it in the title and the video description, of course. So let's set this box to the side. Close up my knife. And let's take a look. So these guys are based out of Wisconsin, and 94 is for I-94, which actually runs through my state as well. So let's get this open. Yeah, very cool. So Mecha Quartz. Let's take it off the watch roll, and then we'll take a look at the movement, or take a look at the watch. Oh, there we go. So yeah, it's a Seiko Mecha Quartz, which I'm perfectly fine with for a chronograph movement because it gives you the mechanical sweeping of the second hand there, of the elapsed seconds. Then let's see, how does this go? One of these should be, oh no, this doesn't have a running second. So it should be a 24-hour indicator and then the elapsed minute timer there. All right, I should let this go for a minute and we'll see which is which. I'm sure this is the elapsed minute. And it has these interesting Arabic numerals here, I guess. Looks like 94 has a little bit of a different logo on this as well. So let's take a look at the case here. It's a mixture of brushed and polished surfaces. Nice little bevel here, which is polished. It has a cool rally leather strap. Signed logo, or signed crown. There we go. That's not a screw down. So it's probably good for about 50 meter, I would guess. Let's see what it says on the case back. Oh, I don't want to move that out while the second is running there. So there you can see the elapsed minute here. So let's stop this and reset it. You'll see it snap back very quickly there. So first position is time set. Of course, there's no winding because it's quartz. (9)4 watches, VK64 movement, so that's the Mecha Quartz. Okay, so it's actually rated for 100 meter water resistance, which is more than I thought it would be. In stainless steel case. So let's get this on the wrist, and then we can close out the video. Just a quick unboxing here. Speaking of quick, it does have quick release straps, which I really do appreciate for mixing and matching the straps. Actually, I believe this is a full lume dial, so let me blast it with my UV light. We can get a sense of the lume here. Yeah, definitely will be some nice lume. We'll do a full lume shot in the review video. Just a quick first look here, first impressions. So let's get this on my wrist. If you haven't already subscribed, I would appreciate it if you could go ahead and do so. Like the video if you liked it. Leave a comment below. Really appreciate interaction with you guys here, and let me know what you think of these watches. Today I've been wearing the Hamilton khaki King Field mechanical watch. I've had this for a little while, just have not spent any time with it on wrist, so looking forward to spending some time with this one. We'll set that off to the side, and we'll get this guy on wrist. Actually, let me show you this next to my SKX. I just had it here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Get a good size reference here. So this was probably, I would say it's a 40 millimeter, but we'll get into all that in the full review. Let's just put it there. I might be able to get it a little bit tighter. I don't want to cinch these down too much. I'm afraid of breaking something. There we go. The strap feels pretty nice. This has been to a couple of review different folks already, so not sure how well broken in the strap is. Looks a bit thick, maybe 13 or 14, but we'll check that out later. All right, let's zoom out here, and I'll let you guys go on about your day. It's a good looking Panda here. So, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.